Wakey, wakey.
Wakey, wakey.
Wakey, wakey, buddy. He's so sleepy, oh my goodness. You had a hard night last night, bud.
Oh,
Oh.
there he goes, he's awake. Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel. We are currently driving through Canberra. We've been here all weekend for a big event that happens in Canberra and we've been working that event with our business. We're all a bit tired on this Monday morning. Knackered. But we're very excited. 6 days time we'll be hopping on the ferry to get over to Tasmania. So we're going to spend the next 6 days driving to Geelong. We're hoping we'll get some nice camp spots.
Bang on, I reckon. Wide open spaces.
But we'll see what the day brings. Today we have a bunch of chores we have to do, prepare for the next leg, I suppose. So we've got to do the usual groceries. We're going to go to the gym. Washing. We've filled up our water already and we've got rid of our rubbish. I think that's it. We're planning on ending up at a campsite called Black Lake Camp.
Black Lake Reserve.
Black Lake Reserve. So today's video is kind of just going to be, I guess, more of a day in the life. Just trying to get those human jobs done that you need to get done, I suppose.
Those human jobs. As opposed to your jobs, Frankie.
How do you explain that?
Huh?
So yeah, we'll take you along today as we get all that stuff done and end up hopefully
At a nice campground.
Alright, we'll see you at the gym. That guy was like, let's go.
So we've just got back to the van after our little session in the gym. We tend not to film when we're in the gym just because we feel like people value their privacy in the gym. People don't like being looked at when they're working out really. Frankie's feeling a little unwell today, we've noticed. We're hoping it's something he ate last night when we took him for a little walk after dark. When we were looking the other direction, he found something to nibble on. This morning he's a bit lethargic, he's a bit slow. He's still eating, he's still drinking water. We've been checking the little guy for ticks and things, and twice now we haven't found anything. We leave him in the van. We've got this little evaporative cooler in the corner which sits next to his favourite spot where he hangs out when we're not in the van, and he snoozes next to it to keep him kind of cool and fresh. So I don't know if we've mentioned it on this channel before, but he has a condition called Addison's which affects his adrenal gland. We have to give him a daily medication and a monthly steroid to keep his cortisol levels correct.
Keep him alive.
To keep him alive. He also has a condition called dry eye where his tear ducts don't work quite so well, so they can get dried out and sort of irritated and inflamed. So we have a daily eye drop that we give him. But we're going to keep a close eye on him and see how he goes.
He's also had a very big weekend. Could just be that he's very tired.
Not enough sleep. It was a 3-day event. And because he's such an anxious little boy, he's always wondering where we are. So if we ever leave the van, he doesn't really... Well, he does sleep, but it takes him a little while to sort of settle. And when he is with us at the market, if either one of us leaves the market store, he's awake and keeping guard of things. He's very protective of Sasha.
Alrighty, let's go to Cooma. We are just driving into Cooma now, and we're absolutely starving, and we have no food, and we don't have time / can't be bothered to cook. So we're going to try and find some food first. So we'll see what we can find in Cooma. That wasn't on.
Are you feeling better, buddy? Hey? It looks a lot better. So what do you got there?
Looks pretty good.
Blimey. Post-workout. 2 hours post-workout.
I'm starving.
A couple of chai lattes as well.
How was it? Good? You full?
Yeah, I feel much better.
What do you think, Frank? You happy? He's a good boy.
Don't tell him that, he's already bloody.
You think his head's too big? Because I tell him how gorgeous he is all the time.
What's this?
It's hot.
No.
It's hot today.
Bloody Suki Lala
Burn his little feet.
has a sore tummy and then he just gets special treatment for the rest of the day.
Of course he does.
Alrighty. Time to get some groceries.
Yep. We just have to find a shady spot. Hey? You excited now? It's good to see you back, bud. Hey?
Ooh, hard to find. Hard to find these ones. I've lost Sasha. It's funny in a supermarket, you lose each other so easy. I don't know where she's gone.
I come there and get
Look at the mess this guy's created. Look, there's stuff everywhere. He's got a used hanky on the floor.
We probably
Right.
need some of that.
Veggies.
There's currently a national egg shortage in Australia. So whenever we find eggs, we buy 2 cartons.
So the mission is to somehow fit all of this food in our little fridge and our little pantry.
I've never seemed to have a problem with it. I just get someone who complains about it all the time.
Look, I'm just saying, if this was Tetris, I would fail.
You would, and you do. Just like that, there's room to spare.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hey, hey, hey,
Got a guy in here. Oh, he's taking a nibble. Get out of here. Come on. Get out of here. He's bloody...
Get out of here!
He's chewing on the zucchini.
Get out of here!
Cheeky little bugger. Hey, aren't you?
Oh, we still have to do our laundry.
Yeah.
Aircon. So, if you're a regular watcher of this channel,
Yeah.
you'll know that we never time our days very well. It's now 4 o'clock. We still haven't done our laundry, but we think it's time to head to the campground. We don't want to get there too late.
So bright out there.
Yeah, we need the aircon.
Alrighty, off to Bib and Luke.
It's only 3. Are you taking us, buddy?
Alright. Sheepy, sheepy, sheepy. You just gotta open your mouth and go, find some corrugation. There we go. He's talking at me. Works quite good. Oh shit. Oh, hang on. Shit. Nearly drove off the road.
Sorry, what was that?
That would have been bad.
I think that's where you park, by the way. It's pretty nice.
Could go for a paddle.
How are you going to get it off the roof?
Pretty nice out there. So this is where we're going to stay the night, just one night, and then we'll keep on heading south towards Melbourne. Get the rest of our chores done, I guess, tomorrow. That's okay. It's meant to be our day off today. What do you reckon, mate? There's no one else here at the moment, which is pretty lucky, and it's a beautiful spot. There's a little boat ramp down here and picnic table. Water looks pretty nice if you can get out past the kind of mucky stuff that's sitting on the shoreline. Maybe tomorrow morning we can get the paddleboard out. Just need to figure out a way to get up there. I haven't finished building the ladder for it yet. There's a couple of posts over here I could probably stand on to get the paddleboard out, and maybe we'll head out, see what's out there in the morning. It's so peaceful, it's so quiet. Get a little bit of computer work done before dinner. So we'll just wait for it to cool down. We're getting a nice breeze coming in this little doorway at the moment. So we'll just chill out here for a little bit and then maybe move the van somewhere over there where it's a little bit flatter. Bang on, I reckon. Hey sheepy, what are you doing? Oh, hello. Oh, they're pretty good looking sheep. Oh, damn. Put my back out. Stepping on a prickle. One of those ones. Oh, I just about had a back spasm because I stepped on a prickle. All I want to do is get our chairs out of the back. Oh gee, this is a bit of a mess. All right. Wow, it's really windy. This is our little hanging situation. We store sort of our chairs and some random long sort of implements up in there. Just a couple of straps through the holes in the bed. Alright, let's get these chairs set up. Watch out for that prickle. There we are.
Really hurt.
Alrighty guys, well it's time for us to go to bed. We'll see you in the morning. Morning. It's beautiful out here. It's amazing. You awake, bud? Hey, you awake? You want some breakfast? Unfinished laundry. Yeah. Sit. We don't have a dog bowl for Frankie's food. We just use the lid of the container that holds the food.
Morning.
Gee, it's bright, isn't it? That sun, it's coming straight in. Frankie's already back down for his second nap. Okay, so I think I've devised a way to get the paddleboard off of the roof by using some of our work stuff in our boxes. It's a bit dodgy, but it should do. And I can get up there and loosen those knots and get that board off.
Alrighty, so while Freddie's paddling around, I'm going to get a couple of orders together that we got last night. We should go through a town today that will have a post office that we can post them at. I'm working actually.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm getting that order together.
Oh, work. Just the wind's blowing this way, blowing on the scandal. Well, that was good. It's been way too long since I got that board off of the roof. Had a little bit of fun. Did like a half a lap of the lake maybe. Now the tricky bit is to get it back up on the roof. So this is what our little setup looks like. We've just got a couple of straps over the top of the board here and here. We've got these little rubbery kind of clamps that hold onto they're like rod holders or shovel holders. They work good for the paddle. Paddle's sturdy as. Board's sturdy as. That's it. We just got to get our cables from our solar panels around. Now to pack up our work gear. Put it back where it belongs.
Alrighty guys, we are gonna head off now. We've done a little bit of work and Freddie's had a paddle and Frank's been hanging out. So we are gonna head to Victoria now. The border is about an hour away, and then I think we're going to head to a town kind of like an hour past the border, and that's got the post office and the laundromat and all that sort of stuff, so we can get some more of our chores done. The dog's on the loose.
I'll find him. Mister.
So first we'll find the dog and then we'll get out of here. So we'll see you in Victoria, I guess.